Hello, garden lovers. Welcome back to Poopit Garden. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most loved fruit trees in the world, the avocado tree. Who doesn't love avocados? Creamy texture, rich in nutrients, and perfect for both sweet and savory dishes. But here's the secret. Getting an avocado tree to produce bigger and more fruits isn't just about planting and waiting. It takes proper care, patience, and the right techniques. So, in today's video, I'll share with you 5 essential ways to care for avocado trees so they can reward you with a bountiful harvest. Let's dive in. 1. Choose the right location and soil. Avocado trees thrive in warm, tropical to subtropical climates. The first step is to ensure your tree is planted in the right spot. Avocados love sunlight, at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight every day. Without enough light, your tree will grow tall but produce fewer fruits. Equally important is the soil. Avocado trees need well-draining soil because their roots are very sensitive to waterlogging. Sandy loam soil with a slightly acidic to neutral pH, between 6 and 7, works best. If your soil is heavy clay, consider planting your avocado tree on a raised mound to improve drainage. Remember, healthy roots mean healthy fruits. 2. Watering the right way. Water is life for plants, but with avocados, too much water can kill. The key is balance. During the first few years, young avocado trees should be watered 2 to 3 times per week, depending on your climate. As the tree matures, reduce watering to once a week, making sure the soil is moist but never soggy. Here's a tip. Stick your finger into the soil about 5 centimeters deep. If it feels dry, it's time to water. If it's still damp, hold off. Overwatering can cause root rot, which is one of the main reasons avocado trees fail to thrive. Consistent and careful watering helps the tree focus its energy on flowering and fruiting instead of just surviving. 3. Fertilize with the right nutrients. To produce bigger and more avocados, your tree needs the right food. Fertilizing is crucial. Start with nitrogen-rich fertilizer during the growth phase, but as the tree matures and starts to flower, phosphorus and potassium become more important. Nitrogen helps with leafy growth, while phosphorus supports root and flower development, and potassium improves fruit quality and size. Organic compost or well-rotted manure can also boost soil health naturally. For best results, fertilize your avocado tree 3 to 4 times a year, spreading the fertilizer evenly under the canopy but away from the trunk. 4. Pruning and tree maintenance. Pruning is often overlooked, but it's essential if you want a productive tree. By cutting off weak, dead, or crossing branches, you allow more sunlight and air circulation to reach the inner parts of the tree. This reduces the risk of pests and diseases while encouraging stronger fruit-bearing branches. The best time to prune is after the harvest season or during the early growth phase. Remember, you don't have to cut too much. Just focus on shaping the tree so it has a balanced structure. A well-maintained avocado tree can last for decades and produce fruits year after year. 5. Pollination and pest control. One of the biggest challenges in avocado farming is pollination. Avocado flowers are unique because they open in 2 phases, making self-pollination tricky. To increase fruit set, consider planting more than 1 avocado variety nearby. This way, cross-pollination becomes more effective, leading to more fruits. At the same time, keep an eye out for pests like mites, thrips, and root rot fungi. Using natural pest control methods such as neem oil or introducing beneficial insects can protect your tree without harming the environment. Healthy trees are much more resistant to diseases and will reward you with better harvests. So, those are the 5 key steps to care for your avocado tree. Choose the right location, water properly, fertilize with the right nutrients, prune regularly, and support pollination while controlling pests. With patience and consistent care, your avocado tree will not only survive but thrive, giving you bigger and more delicious fruits every season. Thank you for watching Poopit Garden. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss more gardening tips and tricks. See you in the next video, and happy gardening!